Now let's simplify this expression where we have 3 over 5 divided by 2 over 5. Solution. We keep the first fraction, so we have 3 over 5. And then we change this division sign to a multiplication sign. And then now we flip the second fraction. So we have 15 over 2. Now, we multiply the numerators. So 3 multiplied by 15. And then we also multiply the denominators. So 5 times 2. 3 multiplied by 15 will give us 45. And 5 multiplied by 2 will give us 10. This is an improper fraction which needs to be brought to a mixed fraction. Now 10 will go in 45 4 times because 10 times 4 gives us 40. So we have 4 whole number, leaving us with a remainder of 5. So 5 over 10. Now always be careful here. When you have a mixed fraction, ensure that the fraction part is in its lowest term. So in this case, we can see that they can still be divided by 5. So 5 here 1, 5 here 2. So our final answer would be 4 whole number 1 over 2. Thank you.